Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial 6. In this tutorial we'll be covering file scope. So let's just start Extreme. Now Extreme has about 4 basic file scope modes. So we'll just find a folder and we'll press the star key to log the entire folder and all its subfolders. And the first file scope is the regular file scope, which is the directory scope. So if we select a folder and just press enter on it, we're in the directory scope. And this basically just shows all the files that are in that directory. And we can see here that it's a directory scope. If we press escape, and now if we go to the top folder and press the B key, now we're in the branch scope, and the branch scope shows all the files that are underneath that branch point. So as I scroll down, you can see the path change, and that basically is indicating that these files belong in different folders of that branch. And the next file scope is the Showall scope, which you can activate by pressing the S key. And the Showall scope basically shows all the files that are on that drive. So if I log another folder and press S, and hopefully you can see a file that's outside that branch. Here's one. So that's basically another file that's on that drive. And the final scope, if I log onto another drive, is the global scope. So if I press the G key, this will basically show all files that have been logged across all drives. So those are the 4 basic scopes: the directory scope, the branch scope, Showall scope, and the global scope. Now, there's another little wee trick that you can do, and that is if you tag some files from different folders and then go to the top folder, you can hold down Control and B, and that will show all the tagged files that are under that branch. So now this is the tag branch scope. And likewise, you can do the same thing for tag global and tag Showall. So it's quite a powerful way of selecting and viewing files across multiple directories and multiple drives.